Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, I'm deep cleaning my entire apartment. Okay guys, let's get to work and keep on watching. I guess I'm starting to see some things that I never thought I would. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, I do my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me. Guys, it's all in one TV channel. And to all my current subscribers, thank you so much guys. I'm truly grateful for all of you. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful and keep on watching. This part is not for everyone, but me, that's my preference. Whenever I'm deep cleaning my apartment, I use bleach. Sometimes a little bit lost gets a little bit found. You can lose yourself and your faith will come washing up on shore. And I've been here before, I think I've told you. Alright, starlight, say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come around. Say what you feel, say. Whenever I'm deep cleaning the apartment, I broom, I mop, and I steam clean. Be my fire, take my hand. Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde, bienvenue sur channel ça. Si vous la pour première fois, moi c'est tout bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager. Et si c'est pas pour première fois, oh là, moi je dis merci un pile pour support. Merci un pile parce que vous toujours retourné pour venir supporter moi. Merci un pile parce que vous toujours là, regarder vidéo et moi qui un pile monde qui toujours a dit que moi pas mettre créole, moi mettre créole konya, s'il vous plaît, la mon petit grain commenter en créole pour me capable ouais que nous là. Sans nous même mes amours, channel ça pas rien. Merci et moi aime nous en pile. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Grand merci pour tous les commentaires en français, ça m'a fait un grand plaisir. Et à tous mes abonnés, merci beaucoup, merci pour votre support, merci pour tout, je vous aime beaucoup. This is the finished look guys. Let me know what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like it, and share it. And guys, I'm currently working on a bathroom makeover. Be sure to not miss it. I hope you guys enjoy the video and keep on watching. don't know if anyone like me, but I love light. I'm in love with flowers. In all my videos, you always see I have a lot of lights and flowers. And throughout the house, I use LED only to save me money on light bills. I have a video coming up Tuesday. You will see the night part. All the lights turn off, you will see how beautiful it is. And keep on watching. Just want to let you know, guys, whenever I'm counting my blessing, you guys are part of it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.